scared but prepared, it might be as if it. Are they still in control and safe behind the wall? This evening's too quiet, we need a real riot to shake and to break and to bite like a snake. We're stuck in this attic, so bored and so static. Tomorrow will ask us to throw off our masks. But the storm is coming across the hills tonight, like a vein full of rain to the hearts that shall fight. The storm is coming across the hills tonight, like a vein full of rain to the hearts that should fight. She's a loser to be. Got a lock on her door and a bed on the floor. You will know they will win and then they'll come in. There's nothing you can say to lead them astray. We still live in silence and sworn threats of violence. I long for an end and it's coming round the bend.